Open our official website. Select the related series from drop-down menu. Download the SDK, complying with your computer system. Click More Info to run anyway the setup. Click Yes to authorize. Follow the steps to start setup. Click Connect button to connect the camera to Icentral. Switch the role to Guru, all camera parameters available to view. Parameters can be modified in the right column. Camera samples and user instructions can be viewed in the Start menu.